All right, this video is an answer to a question. Somebody asked me which toner cartridge replacement cartridges I bought, and it looks like this one just labeled K Premium Toner, and then it has the model numbers here that it's compatible with. It says it is not an OEM product, and it's not. I do not have the receipt for this. Here's a barcode that might help you. Back looks like the bottom. Oh, there's a barcode on the bottom too. Okay, here we go. And made in China. There's the barcode right there. So I hope that helps. So that's the one that's in the Brother right now. Okay, that's in the printer right now. But I did order. I got another deal, and I found this online. And it was not on Amazon because I don't have it in my records, and I'm sorry I can't find the paperwork. So CM compatible toner. I don't know if that's brand. There's a thing there that looks like a CM logo. So we can find that online. What you get in this box, this is a set, do not separate. For the price of one toner cartridge, I got 3 toner cartridges. So I'm kind of excited to make sure that these work. I sort of remember the price being around $28 for all 3 of these. I'm not sure about that. No, don't quote me on that. And I don't think there's a barcode on this box. So anyway, I hope that helps you. Smash a like for me, that helps me, and have a great day. See if you can help somebody.